give you guys a update on Ethereum and Bitcoin again. Let's go over the last two levels that we've been posting for both Ethereum and Bitcoin. So back on June 27th, we gave some resistance levels for Bitcoin here and Ethereum here. But I'm going to go Ethereum first because that's causing our altcoins to run here. And it's also outperforming Bitcoin. So if we look at the levels here on Ethereum, if we talk about 1080, 1120, 1118, 1280, and 1350. And we're hanging around here right now at 1350. Previously, we were just at 1280, and we dropped down to over here, 1180. Actually, it was like 1170, 1180 range. But then we have now came all the way from here back up to this 1350 range. And then if we look in the post from July 9th, very similar levels here of 1340 being that last one. So that was short-term support and resistance, and this was support and resistance. So we can see a possibility on the next jump here to 1440. If we hold here, we've been holding around 1350 for about 12 hours now. But again, over here we went over 1134, 1170, 1275, 1340. So if we look, about $10 differences from each number based off the last week posted here, because that is the range that the bulls basically need to keep. So let's go take a look at Ethereum, which is trading right now at 1356. This is on the daily chart. We kind of talked about how it needed to break this high right here if we were just simply trading price action and nothing else. No EMAs, no strategies of just simple price action would have told us that if we breaking out this high right here, we would have moved up. And then if we are using our EMAs and some of our Thanos strategies, the 34 is always the objective, and it actually closed with the 50 over, but remember the candle did not open over it, so that can cause some fake outs. However, this new candle, which is the candle that I've been waiting for to do this update, has now opened both above the 34th and has opened above the 50 moving average here. So if we close above here with the full body closing above both, go ahead and basically we're gonna attempt the bull run up to about to 750. I'm sorry, 1750. So that was our target, and we broke over it. I'm personally ready for the bull run to start. I'm ready to see some momentum. We're halfway into July 7th. I'm sorry, we're halfway into July. It's July 17th. I think I've done 4 trades for crypto. 3 have lost, 1 have won. Not very happy about that. But again, only 4 trades. Looking to get some momentum back, right, guys? We just had weeks of this choppy range. I'm looking to do some big swing trades. So I myself am ready for some momentum, upside or downside. I really don't care which way it goes. Uh, you know, we kind of had this chop for quite some time now on the daily chart, so similar to what we were experiencing here, and then we had the big decline, but we also never tested the 34 here. So we haven't even gotten close this whole time until now. So looking for this candle to close above it. Uh, 4 hour chart has been, you can kind of see the steadiness, see the chop that we've been trading through before that leg down. So now we have gone, full Thanos here. They had to do it a few times, but if you were just trading the Thanos strat, you would have made an entry right on this candle, sold out on this candle, got yourself this little small gain right here. One second. Where's my ruler? There it is. You would have got yourself a gain from here, oops, to about here for 4.26%, just straight, you know, 4% gain in, you know, about a 24-hour period here. And that's with no leverage. And then same thing if you played it here, just the, you know, the most simplest of entries and exits. Uh, Enter here, you know, taking profit, take some profit off the table once it hits your targets, waiting for the decline, selling out right here. You would still cast yourself in about a, yeah, that's about right, about a 4.6% gain. And now we've gone full Thanos here. So let's see if this daily candle continues and breaks over. And then if you look at the high that we had for 14, I'm sorry, where's that? For 1440 on ETH, we got pretty near close. We almost even got there. We got to 1422, so about $20 off there. So let's see how the Bulls handle this, and if we get above here, and then if you guys know Blaster's Blast Strat, if this white ATMA here wraps up over, let me draw a line and give you guys an example. If this white EMA here comes up and can get up past this green line to right here, looking for a nice blast trap setup, giving us even more conviction to start the Thanos process all the way up to here at 1755. And then if we use some fibs, and if we do some fibs and we see the range from the last high to the failure to the new bottom, and this bottom was clear because of here, you can see how the next target is 1469. So if I always like to round down, 1450, and then the 89 moving average over here at 1760 actually matches almost identical to our fib here once we pass this golden ratio at 1758. So this would ideally be the next target up to 750. You know, we'll just have to see how this candle does. Uh, Next, Bitcoin, which is, you guys can see, is actually underperforming compared to Ethereum. But let's look at the levels that we had for Bitcoin. 1965, 1230. I'm sorry, 2030, 2700, 21,800, 22,200, and then 23,000 at the rest. Trading at 21,367 right now. Bulls popped it up as high as 21,591 the last jump. You can see we still haven't tested the 34th, also trading in this chop. But if the market continues like this and the bulls are able to kind of break this top out over here, this is going to be the bigger run on Bitcoin right here. Once we break away from this top, which is at 23.5, and then comes the 50 right there, which is also right near 2035. So all things look well right here so far. We just have to keep going. And if you look at where we are in the 4-hourly chart on Bitcoin right now, and then compare that to ETH, we see that ETH went full Thanos and then broke above all of its moving averages here and then exploded up one more time right here. So if we look at Bitcoin, it's now just started the full Thanos. All moving averages below it. You even got the 8 EMA wrapping up over here. So if we break this top right here, small run here, the bigger run's going to be right here. So that's it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Hope this helps a bit. And let's get some momentum either way, right? I'm looking to get some more trades going, that's for sure. Kind of get lonely here. All right, guys, take care.